Open the machine package. Use the provided tool to remove the protective film from the machine. Open the accessory kit, take out all the accessories. Use the screwdriver from the accessory kit to remove the limit pins on both sides of the Y-axis. Move the Y-axis to check whether it moves smoothly. Use the screwdriver to remove the X-axis limit pin. Take the power cable from the accessory kit, plug the power cable into the machine's power socket and press the power switch to turn it on. Release the machine's emergency stop button, the machine will start self-checking. Once the self-check is complete, press each button on the keyboard to confirm they are functioning properly. After checking all the buttons, raise the printing platform to its highest position as shown in the video. Take out the UV ink from the accessory kit. As shown in the video, pour the ink into the corresponding color slots in the ink tank. Before adding ink, shake the ink bottles well. Note: white ink contains larger pigment particles and has higher density, so shake it several times more to evenly disperse the pigments before pouring. Pour the varnish gloss ink. Take out the USB drive and network cable from the accessory kit. Insert the other end of the network cable and the USB drive into the computer. Close the motherboard cover. Open the USB drive on the computer, find the training guide folder, select the Chinese version of the software and double-click to install. Follow the video instructions step by step to complete the installation. Open the installed RIP software. When opened, the software will display demo version at the top center. This means you need to insert the dongle. Take the dongle from the accessory kit and plug it into the computer. Note: after inserting the dongle, its folder will appear empty. This is normal. The software title will now change to UV version. Open Printer Management and check the printer driver. Then open the PrintExp software. The lower left corner of the software will show Not Connected. You need to configure the network IP address. Open the computer settings. Open the computer settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Network and Internet. Click Change Adapter Settings. Find the corresponding network connection. Set the IP address according to the video instructions. Click OK to save the settings. Open the PrintExp software again. In the software settings, once the ink is added, begin the software ink loading process. Click Load Ink. Wait 30 seconds. Click Stop. Wait 5 seconds. Then click Load Ink again. Wait 5 seconds, then click Stop. Click Clean at the top and choose Clean All. Perform the cleaning process twice. After ink loading is complete, move the ink carriage aside using the keyboard. Check whether there is ink inside the ink pad. After confirming, press lock on the keyboard to let the carriage return to its home position. Once the carriage resets, the cleaning unit's wiper and solenoid valve will automatically reset. Press the Clean button on the keyboard to start automatic printhead cleaning. After cleaning is complete, pull out the outer axis. Prepare in a 4 sheet of paper. Place it on the suction platform. Turn on the suction function. As shown in the video, move the printing platform into position. Begin calibrating the distance between the printhead and the A4 paper. Ensure the printhead height is about 2 mm above the paper. After calibration, reset the carriage. Press the nozzle button on the keyboard to start the printhead test. Check the test print pattern for any broken lines or missing nozzles. Open the RIP software. Follow the video instructions to import color flag files. Find the color flag files in the USB training guide folder and import them into the software. Click OK. Click Print. Change the sending mode to TPIP, then click Print to start printing the color flag. After printing, observe the printed color flag. If the printed color flag is far from the bottom right corner of the A4 sheet, measure the distance from the color flag to the paper edges using a ruler. Record the measurements. Go back to the PrintExp software. In the Print Settings section, note that the default offset values are 0 and cannot be negative. Enter the advanced page and select Factory Settings. Enter the password 111111. Click OK to enter. In the pop-up window, select Other at the bottom right corner. In X-axis white margin Start Offset, subtract the previously recorded distance values accordingly. In the video example, the offset data is X-axis, -19, Y-axis, -26. After setting, click Save File. Note: the printed offset values are not absolute, they may vary between machines. The video values are for reference only. Please measure and adjust according to your actual results. After saving, click Print in the RIP software again. You should now see the color flag printed in precise positions.